Hey, it's Brad from Sun Outdoors. Today we are making Kentucky Peach Lemonade. We're gonna start by placing all our ingredients into the shaker. Got 1 dash of Angostura bitters. That's really gonna bring this whole cocktail all together. 2 ounces of Maker's Mark, again, a nice wheated bourbon. We're gonna have 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice and 3/4 an ounce of Liquid Alchemist peach syrup. Liquid Alchemist is made by bartenders for bartenders. Gonna take that all in our tin, add some ice, shake her up. Got an old-fashioned glass, top that with ice, and we are gonna double strain this guy over the ice. Top that with a lemon wheel garnish. We have a Kentucky Peach Lemonade at Sun Outdoors. Cheers.